Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to update Firefox browser on Windows 11 or 10 when Firefox is not running. To enable this one feature, first open Firefox browser on your PC, then click on this one menu icon and select settings in the drop down menu. Then select general in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to see this one Firefox update section. Here you need to select this one option, automatically install updates, and check this one option when Firefox is not running. In case you don't want to update Firefox automatically but you want to check the updates, you need to select this one option, check for updates, but let you choose to install them. And in case you want to check and update your Firefox immediately, you can click on this one option, check for updates button beside Firefox. Beside this one option, check for updates. Just click on this one. It will check for updates, and in case any update is available, Firefox will download and install automatically on your Windows PC.